Hey guys, what's up, and it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Oppo Reno versus a Samsung Galaxy Note 8. And Note 8 comes with the Exynos 8895 processor with the 6GB RAM, while the Oppo Reno comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor with the 8GB RAM. So let's see how much a difference between both of these phones. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. And looking first on the Oppo Reno first, and both phones comes with a Super AMOLED display, but the resolution is much higher on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 with a Quad HD display versus a Full HD on the Oppo Reno. And Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is faster, and Oppo Reno is also done about 2 or 4 second difference there. So everything is closed up in the background like always. And the first application we have is the phone dialer, faster on the Oppo Reno, and Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is right behind. So next up is the settings, and that's about the same on both phones. Moving on with the My Clock application, and again that was about the same on both phones. So launching the calendar, again faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and Oppo Reno is right behind. My Files, again that's about the same on both phones. Very small difference here with the system based application. So launching some games application, and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And that is faster on the Oppo Reno, and Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is right behind. And look at the display, and it is very incredible on the Oppo Reno versus the old aspect ratio on the Note 8, because Note 8 is having a 2-year-old phone. So launching some more application like the Subway Surfer, and faster on the Oppo Reno, and Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is also done about 2 second difference there. So last game application we have is the Temper Run 2, and you can see very beautiful aspect ratio on the Oppo Reno, and Oppo Reno is done, and Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is right behind. So last, opening up the application that is called as the camera, faster on the just a tiny bit Oppo Reno, and Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is right behind. So launching the internet browser on both phones, Google Chrome versus a Google Chrome, and I've launched the internet browser on both phones. And the first website we have is the wikipedia.org, and same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and Note 8 is faster, and Oppo Reno is also right behind. So next up is the wwe.com. It's a heavy website, let's see. And Oppo Reno is done, yes it is faster than the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and you can see up, down, and the scrolling is looking very smooth on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement, multitasking. And Note 8 comes with a 6GB RAM, while the Oppo Reno comes with a 8GB RAM. So let's see who is perfect in the RAM measurement. And so far both phones is looking very good in the RAM measurement. Multitasking is so far excellent on both phones. And that got refresh on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. One refresh on the Note 8. So overall I have said that the app's opening speed is faster on the Oppo Reno, and Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is right behind to the Oppo Reno. RAM measurement is very incredible on the Oppo Reno, but one application is got refresh on the Note 8. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Oppo Reno versus a Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.